Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of chapter 7 tenses past continuous tense. Dear student, first we should know about in which type of sentences we frame in past continuous. किस तरह के सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में फ्रेम करते हैं. सो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस इज द टेंस इन विच वी फ्रेम द सेंटेंस ऑफ द एक्शन दैट कंटिन्यूअस इन पास्ट टाइम. मीन्स पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम उस सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करते हैं जो पास्ट टाइम में कॉन्टिन्यूअस हुआ रहता है. उस सेंटेंस को हम लोग पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में फ्रेम करते हैं. जस्ट आई गिव द एग्जांपल, आई वॉज वर्किंग इन फैक्ट्री देखिए, आई वॉज वर्किंग इन फैक्ट्री मीन्स मैं फैक्ट्री में काम कर रहा था. दिस एक्शन इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस इन पास्ट टाइम. मतलब यह जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट टाइम में कॉन्टिन्यूअस हुआ रहता है. उसको हम लोग पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में फ्रेम करते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट, we also know the past continuous tense is of three type of sentences. First is affirmative sentences. यानी जो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस होता है उसको हम लोग affirmative सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. दूसरा negative sentence और third is interrogative sentence. Okay student, means past continuous tense is framed in affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. Okay, now we discuss each rule, means how we frame in affirmative sentence, how we frame in negative sentence, how we frame the sentence in interrogative sentence. We discuss separately. सबको हम लोग अलग अलग पढ़ेंगे. So first we know about the rule of affirmative sentence. अब हम लोग जो है affirmative sentence के रूल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि how we frame the sentence of affirmative sentence. कैसे हम लोग affirmative sentence में जो है फ्रेम करते हैं सेंटेंसेस को. तो उसके लिए रूल हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. What is the rule in which we frame the affirmative sentence? And rule is, first of all we write subject of the sentence. सबसे पहले सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट को हम लोग राइट करते हैं. Then we write was or were. उसके बाद after subject we write was or were. अब was किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? was जो है आपका he, she, it. उसके बाद से सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट प्लस नेम. इन सबों के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? was यूज करते हैं. और वर्ब किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? इसके साथ आई के साथ भी was यूज करते हैं। अब देखिए वर्ब किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? यू, वी, दे, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, इन सबों के साथ वर्ब यूज किया जाता है। देखिए was इसके साथ मिलता है आई, ई, सी, इट या कोई सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट या कोई नेम आ जाता है, तो उसके साथ हम लोग was राइट करते हैं। और वर्ब किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? यू, वी, दे या प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट जो भी आते हैं उसके साथ हम लोग वर्ब का यूज करते हैं। ठीक है, तो देखिए अब यहाँ पे was और वर्ब का यूज हम लोग समझ में आ गया कि किसके साथ was यूज करेंगे और किसके साथ वर्ब यूज करेंगे। After was or verb we write was first form plus ing। was की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में हम लोग ing ऐड करेंगे। Then we write object of the sentence, then we write etc. and at last question mark। Okay student, now we discuss some example based upon affirmative sentence or past continuous tense। Example is, first example is he was playing, he was playing hockey। हाँ, he was playing hockey, वह हॉकी खेल रहा था। So student, it is an example of affirmative sentence। Now next example, I was singing a song। I was singing a song means मैं जो है एक गाना गा रहा था। ठीक है, another example is you were writing an essay। You were writing an essay means तुम ऐसे यानी निबंध लिख रहे थे। So student, these are the examples of affirmative sentence or past continuous, and there is a lot of examples are there in your book, and you can also make the another sentence of affirmative sentence with the help of this book। Okay student, after that we discuss the rule of negative sentence। अब इसके बाद हम लोग जो है negative sentence के रूल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि what is the rule of negative sentence। So student, the rule of negative sentence is also very easy, and the rule negative sentence, sentences, and the rule of negative sentences, first of us we write subject of the sentence, then we write was or were, then not, then was first form plus ing, then object, then etc, and at last full stop। So student, this is the rule of negative sentence or past continuous tense, and I and you understand well. And example is you were not celebrating you were not celebrating your birthday. देखिए, you were not celebrating your birthday means तुम अपना जन्मदिन नहीं मना रहे थे. So student, it is very clear you is the subject, were is the helping verb, not because it is a negative sentence, then verb first form plus ing, then verb verb. Okay? And I give another example. She was not completing her project. She was not completing her project. वह अपना प्रोजेक्ट पूरा नहीं कर रही. ठीक है. Now another example. We were not singing national anthem. देखिए, we were not singing national anthem. हम लोग national anthem नहीं गा रहे थे. So student, it is an example of negative sentence, and I hope you understand well rules and examples also. And on the basis of this, you can also make a lot of sentences based upon this rule of negative sentence. Okay, I erased it, and after this we discuss the rule of interrogative sentence. इसके बाद हम लोग क्या है इंट्रोगेटिव के रूल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस को हम लोग किस रूल के बेस्ड पे फ्रेम करते हैं और उसका रूल क्या होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट. थर्ड इज इंट्रोगेटिव sentences. Interrogative sentences क्या होता है? In interrogative sentence we ask the question. Interrogative sentence में क्या होता है? हम लोग questions पूछते हैं. That sentence is known as interrogative sentence. And dear students, interrogative sentence is of two types. First is yes no type of interrogative sentence means the interrogative sentence in which we can give the answer with yes or no. means ऐसे interrogative जिसका आंसर हम लोग yes या no में दे सकते हैं. That sentence is known as yes no type of interrogative. And rule of yes no type of interrogative is, first of all we write was or were according to subject. Subject के according was या were में से कोई एक लिखते हैं. Then we write subject then verb first form plus ing plus object plus etc. and at last question mark, because it is an interrogative sentence. An example of yes no type of interrogative is, first of all we write was or were according to subject, and if were you playing, were you playing, were you playing, क्या आप खेल रहे थे? So student, it is an example of yes no type of interrogative. If anyone asks you were you playing, you can give the answer with yes or no. If you are playing, then you give the answer yes. If you are not playing, then you give the answer no. So student, it is an example of yes no type of interrogative. And another example was she reading, was she reading novel, क्या वह नॉवेल पढ़ रही थी? So it is also example of interrogative sentence of yes no type. Another example was my friend, was my friend working in this school? Was my friend working in this school? क्या मेरा फ्रेंड इस स्कूल में काम कर रहा था? So student, these are the examples, and there are lot of another examples of interrogative sentences of past continuous. Now student, we discuss the rule of WH type of interrogative. Second is WH type of interrogative. Second is WH type of interrogative. WH type of interrogative sentences. WH type of interrogative sentences क्या होता है? WH type of interrogative sentences are those sentences that start with the WH question word like when, what, where, etc. जो WH type of interrogative ऐसे interrogative होते हैं जो WH question word जैसे when, what, where, etc. से स्टार्ट होते हैं, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग WH टाइप ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव कहते हैं. एंड रूल ऑफ WH टाइप ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड, WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड, then WH question word, then we write was or were, then we write subject. According to subject, was or were is written. Subject के according was या were को write करना है. Then verb first form plus ing, then object then etc, then question word. Okay, student, WH question word, then was or were according to subject, then verb, first form plus ing, then object, then etc. and at last question mark. An example of WH question word, WH type of interrogative sentences. When were you playing in the park? देखिए, when were you playing in the park? Student, this is the example of WH type of interrogative sentences. And another example is why were we reading न्यूज़पेपर? देखिए, why were we reading न्यूज़पेपर? हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर क्यों पढ़ रहे थे? So student, it is an example of WH type of interrogative sentences. And another example is where was she doing her homework? Where was she doing her homework? वह अपना होमवर्क कहाँ कर रही थी? So student, it is also example of WH type of interrogative. And student, I hope you understand whatever I taught you today. And on the basis of this, you can also frame lot of sentence of past continuous tense. Okay, thanks for watching.